and where the bank can fund these MFIs to further lend to the farmers who are working at the intersection of agri and climate. And similarly, we are exploring other transactions which are working in the climate smart agriculture, whether it is solar water pumps, whether it is soil irrigation, or some of the organizations which are looking at replacing the high uh, water related crops to the other climate smart crop, like some of the organization we are working with, exploring with, are trying to replace rice with potato kind of uh, they are working with farmers in Madhya Pradesh and other areas where they are trying to cultivate trying to convince a rice farmer to move to the potato farming. So yeah, and the organization even in this room, if they are working at some of the intersection of livelihood, agriculture, and the climate, happy to evaluate them for the funding opportunity.